In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add anniversary in Apple Calendar. To begin, let's open the Calendar app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find the calendar icon on your home screen, which looks like a simple calendar page. Once you tap it, the app will launch, displaying the current month along with any existing events. This is your hub for managing all your important dates, including anniversaries. Opening the app is the first step in ensuring you never miss a significant occasion. Next, you'll want to tap the plus sign, which is the Add button located in the top right corner. This button is your gateway to creating new events. When you tap it, a new screen will appear where you can input the details of your event. You'll see various fields that allow you to customize your anniversary entry. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your reminder. Now, enter a title for your anniversary event. For example, you might type Wedding Anniversary. This title will appear in your calendar and remind you of the significance of the date. Make sure to choose a title that clearly identifies the event, as this will help you quickly recognize it among other entries. A clear title ensures that you stay organized and aware of your important dates. After you've set up the title, it's time to turn on the All Day option. You can find this toggle switch in the event details. When you enable All Day, your anniversary will be marked as a full day event instead of a specific time. This is especially useful for anniversaries, as you typically celebrate them throughout the day. Turning on All Day helps to ensure you don't miss any part of your special day. Next, you need to select the anniversary date. You can do this by tapping on the date field and scrolling through the calendar to find the correct day. Once you've located the anniversary date, tap it to confirm your selection. This step is essential because it specifies when the reminder will activate each year. Take your time to choose the right date, as it's the heart of this celebration. At this point, tap on the Repeat option and select Every Year. This setting is what transforms your single entry into a recurring event. By choosing Every Year, you'll receive reminders annually without having to re-enter the event each time. This little step saves you a lot of time later because it automates the reminder process for you. Optional, if you want an alert to remind you before the anniversary, tap on Alert. Here you can choose how long before the event you would like to be notified. Options typically include 1 day, 1 week, or even a custom time frame. This feature is important because it gives you a heads up, allowing you to prepare for the celebration. Finally, tap the Add button to save the event. This will finalize your anniversary entry and integrate it into your calendar. After tapping Add, you should see a confirmation message appear, indicating that your event has been successfully saved. This step ensures that all your hard work pays off, and you're now set to celebrate your anniversary each year. While it's worth noting that the Contacts app allows you to save an anniversary field, Apple Calendar doesn't display or notify you about those anniversaries automatically like it does for birthdays. Creating a recurring yearly event is the recommended workaround to ensure you never forget your special day.